We are very confident that we can identify those who are likely to be infectious on flights.
WestJet passengers traveling within Canada can now get a COVID-19 rapid test when departing from Vancouver's YVR airport. It's the first time testing like this has been made publicly available at a Canadian airport, and it's part of a testing study that's being led by researchers at UBC and Providence Healthcare. Passengers who volunteer will be taken to this pod outside of the terminal. The test will be administered, and then they'll be returned to the terminal to wait for the near-instant results.
So the technology that we will deploy here is called rapid antigen test. It's a very simple test where we take a nasal swab and we apply it to a little sheet of paper that's coated with antibodies, and we get the test results within 15 to 20 minutes.
Now, the test isn't quite as accurate as the more traditional methods, but its speed makes it a much better fit for an airport setting compared to one conducted in a laboratory.
And that involves big machines, big assays, and usually takes about 2 to 3 days before the test results are known.
And because this is a screening study, a positive result will also be sent to St. Paul's Hospital in downtown Vancouver for clinical confirmation.
This is a pilot project, and so we do need to test it. Then it needs to be reviewed by peers in medical and health journals. And then once we've done that, and the governments both federally and provincially are comfortable with it, then it can be rolled out to broader application.
Ruman says there have been no confirmed cases of transmission aboard an aircraft in our country since the pandemic began.
We think this is one other way to give people the confidence that they need, that it's safe and healthy to do so if they need to travel.
The study will also be evaluating whether an oral rinse could eventually be subbed in on a large scale instead of that infamous swab in the nose.
Because currently Health Canada does not approve oral rinses for any tests, we are using nasal swab as the standard. But as part of the study, we will know whether we can use or replace nasal swabs with mouth rinses.
In Richmond, David Zura, City News.